Hi everybody, today I'm going to talk about battery converters, and this specifically is for one of the older Craftsman 9.2 volt batteries, and it converts it from basically a Makita battery there to become supposedly a Craftsman battery compatible. So it goes like this. So as you can see, this is not perfect, right? But it does stay in, and you do need to depress these buttons to get it out. So why did I buy this? You might ask, hey, why do you need a battery adapter for an old tool? I mean, what's the deal? Well, for example, this air pump, it's impossible to find something good with Makita's brand. So I looked, but no, couldn't find. All their air pumps, you actually have to hold your finger until it gets to the right air pressure. And this one has a lock, so I can just press it, lock it, and once it gets to the preset, it stops. Very simple. I'm not sure why it's such a big deal to do it on Makita, but I really miss this tool, so I was looking for an adapter. Here, let me show you a video of this Craftsman air pump using the Makita battery. Craftsman? Makita? Oh my God. Let's demo this. Actually, I don't need to. Let's raise it to. So this is basically all this video is about. To let you know that if you have an old tool that you really miss, you can still use it with an adapter, and it's not like there's any less power, because the 18 volt that you see here is really nominal. They all kind of call it differently. The 20 volt, for example, DeWalt, is really just the same thing, 18 volt nominal. And they all have, I mean, not all, some of them have the pouch packs, but usually they have 5 batteries in series here, and then another row in parallel, which brings it to 18 volts nominal. All right. So I'm going to put in the description the different batteries. So you look at what battery you have, and then I'm going to put the converter that it goes to, if that makes sense. So I'm going to list all the converters for all the companies. This way you have a quick access to finding the right adapter for your tool. And unfortunately, not every tool has an adapter. For example, Makita has adapters for Craftsman, for DeWalt, for Milwaukee, for Hercules, for Bauer. It doesn't, actually not Hercules. It has for Bauer, and it has for the other Arbor Freight brand label. Hercules is actually not one of the adapters that I could find, which is too bad, because they have quite a selection of tools that some of them are interesting, and it would be nice to just use one of the Makita's batteries, or in your case, maybe another brand, but there isn't yet. I'm sure something will come up in the future. Alright, so this was my quick video. I just wanted to show you how you shouldn't waste an old tool that you really like, or if there's a tool that you really like on another brand, and you just don't want to switch batteries, and you want to keep your, I don't know, you're already invested with all the Makita batteries or all the DeWalt batteries, you can kind of get a different brand tool and make it work on the batteries you already have. Okay, I think it really makes life much easier. It would be cool if there would be a standard, you know, a standard of batteries, just like there's a USB-C. I wonder if at some point the regulation will get to that. I'm not a regulation happy person, but I don't know. In some cases, maybe. All right, so if you like this video, please thumb up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.